Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to apply for Food Panda delivery rider. Now if you want to become a Food Panda delivery rider but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to be a Food Panda delivery rider, you can't simply apply it from your food. Now to do so, you need to simply open the Food Panda website. So go on Google or Safari or anything on a device. So simply search Food Panda, or you may click on the option of Food Panda when it shows. So now you need to scroll and you need to click on the website of Food Panda. So there you need to go on the Food Panda's rider application page, click on the three dot and you'll see the option of careers and all. You may click on it. So here you'll see, now you may see all the type of job which the Food Panda has provided. Now you'll see the option of head retail media partner or specialist on the location where you are or the location which is far from it. So as you can see here, you'll see various option on the Food Panda. Now if you want to join for them, you need to upload the required documents like national ID or driving license, and you need to also upload the bank details, vehicle registration paper if that is applicable. By doing all of this, you need to simply wait for their approval. So after they approve you, you need to work for them. So that's it. That's how you can apply for Food Panda. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.